Okay, for this video we're installing the door seal, which you can see here. And all it does is provide a seal between the front and rear doors, so it helps with sound. It's not a miracle, right? So, don't expect miracles from it, but it definitely helps just prevent some of the wind noise you get rushing over the edge, and then also a lot of the dirt accumulation inside the door jamb as well. So maybe you can see when I've closed it, it's virtually invisible. If you have a white car or a lighter color, you're probably going to see it just here, but many cars already have a seal here, so this isn't unusual. It's just something that Tesla doesn't put on theirs. So we're going to install that real quick. This is what it looks like, just a very kind of strong sprung section. And it goes on, I'll take a photo of kind of where it applies, but you sort of have this sort of double leaf section, that's what faces outwards. You just start at the top and run it down this weld seam on the rear door. When you install this, you do have to put quite a bit of effort into it, so I'm going to kind of come around here, get my trusty kneeling pad and just kind of pull it into place. Now this has already been installed, so it's going to be a little bit easier. You're going to have more of a fight, but it's not difficult, and you can see the technique is basically just manhandling it into place. And there you go, very easy. And then one last note, I'm going to roll up the window for a second. This is an important note though. Depending how long you've had your car, you've got a muscle memory, right, in terms of how much you slam the doors. If you're anything like me, you don't want to slam the doors. So initially when you put these on, actually that wasn't so bad. I'm just going to be a bit feeble, but initially when you put these on, you're going to find you're doing this. You'll get past this in a couple of weeks, just as you kind of rebuild your muscle memory for how much weight to put behind the door. But just bear that in mind. But it definitely helps with the sort of acoustic properties of the car, and it just helps kind of seal this gap up a little bit. Thanks for watching.